Okay, good. So let us start, guys. Today, a new topic called as, operators. Okay. So we will today learn, guys, operators. So let us just, focus on, operators. Before that, we have completed the variable and the data types. So let us just start the operators. So guys, today we'll start a fresh topic called as operators, where we will learn, various kinds of operators. There's something called as arithmetic operator in that, there's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, square, and floor division. So we will learn one by one these things and then we will, understand. Let us just take one by one. Let me this hide this. Yeah. Just give me guys 1 second. Yeah. So let us just guys, learn one by one all these, operators, and then we will, proceed with the, next step. So these are the operators. So let us just, learn one by one. Let's suppose, guys, A plus B, and we are just printing this value, addition of this, value. So what will be the output of this one, Dinesh? What do you think? Are you there? Hello?
Yes, 7,
Yeah, this will be
3,
7, and this will be
three,
3, right?
yes, and next
And this will be what? 5 into 2. It will be 10. And this is, what will be this output? 5
uh,
divided by 2 will be 2.5. Is it correct? Yeah.
no, I think it is 2.
No. It is just a simple, division. Okay. We are not rounding off. So it's just a simple
Yeah,
division. So what is this one? This is called modulus. Okay. The
yes.
remainder part. If you divide 2 by 5, so what will happen? 2 twos are 4 and the remainder is 1. This is called a square root. That means, 2, to the power 5, and you will just, get the output. And yes, so let's suppose A is 5. 5, square root 2. That means it will give you 25. This is called, floor division. This will give, the floor value. Floor value means, let's suppose there is a seal and there's a floor in this, house. Let me just, explain this one. This is, floor value. This is called as, seal, and this is called as floor. Floor value means the, lower side value. Let's suppose, we divide 2 by 5, okay? So the output you will get is, 2, we will get as 4, and then 1, then point, and then 0, and then 5. So you'll get a value 2.5. And if I take, the floor value, so what will be the lesser side value? This is, let's suppose, ceiling, ceiling fans are there, upper value. Floor is in the downward, so this is floor value. So if I take 2.5 floor value, the value will be what? Lower side 2. Yes or no? Any doubt here?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, so let us just, execute this and see the values. So let us just see A plus B is just the addition and A minus B is, subtraction. A into B is, 5 into 2, 10. And A by B, that means 5, we have divided by 2. This, are you saying, Dinesh, we are getting the decimal values also? 2.5. This is the simple, division. A modulus B, we are getting the remainder. That is nothing but the 1. A square B, that means, 5 to, we square the 5. 5 square is nothing but 25. And this is modulus. I told you 2.5, floor division will be nothing but the, 2. This is modular, division. And this is the floor division. So the floor value for, 2.5 is 2. This is floor division. This is, square root. This is called modulus. This is simple division. These are simple addition, deletion, and multiplication. Any doubt, guys, here? Mukesh, Dinesh, are you guys
No,
clear?
no, sir.
So these are, guys, arithmetic operator. Similarly, we'll learn some other, operators. So, but before that, some values, let me just take for, floor division and just give a try for these values. Let's suppose I give a value, this one. Yeah. No. So what will be the floor division value, Mukesh? What do you think? 10 divided by, minus 3, what will be the value? Dinesh, you can also guess the floor, I want the, floor value. I told you floor value is very important because people get confused. This is sale, this is floor. Floor means lesser side of value. So let us just take a new, page and you tell me the value when I am dividing, minus 3 by 10. So what will be the, floor value? Can you tell me? Mukesh, can you guess? What will be here? 3 3s are 9. Yes. And then we will get an output 1. We'll give a point, then it will be what? 3.3333 something, in the negative way. So now, will it change to minus 3 or will it change to minus 4? This is my question to Mukesh and Dinesh. Tell me. Lower side value is what? Which is lower value, minus 3 or minus 4? Mukesh,
Minus
what is the
3.
lower one? Huh? Which is the lesser value, Mukesh? Are you there? No, minus 3, no. Mukesh, what do you guess?
Minus 4 is lower.
Yes, more minus lesser value in the greater value with the minus sign is the lesser value.
Yes.
Minus 4 is less than minus 3, right? You have 4 rupees loan or you have 3 rupees loan. So which is more negative value you have? That is you have having 4 rupees loan. Yes or no? So the output will be minus 4. Let us just see this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We can say in the scale also, sir. 0 to minus side is minus side and plus side. So we can come.
Yeah. Anyway, you can just decide. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, what will be this one? Let us just take this example. This is 10.0 floor division 3. So what will be the output? It will be 3, but it will be in a decimal will also come, zero point 0. Yes or no? 3
Yes,
3 is, 9 and then 3.3333. So the lesser value is the floor value. That is nothing but the 3, but it will be 3.0. Why it will be 3.0?
because
Because the A value is a decimal value. Yes or no, Mukesh?
correct, sir. 10.0. That's why 3.0 coming.
Yeah, Dinesh, any doubt here? Fine, guys. If you are clear, then that's completely fine. Let us just take a relational operator. Let's suppose take less than, greater than, all these values and try to understand. Let's suppose A is for 5 and B is 10. If I write A greater than B, is it true or false, Dinesh? It is Mukesh, can you tell me? Is
False.
it
False.
is false, right? And if I tell A equal to B, is it true or false?
It is
False.
also false.
So we'll get false, but let's suppose I write, A, less than B, and I write, A, not equal to B, then what will happen? Tell me, guys, what will be
True.
the output?
True in both cases.
Are you able to understand these are relational operator, less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, but equal to is written how? Double, 2 times we have to write this equal to. Yes or no, guys? Then only, we can tell what? These values are equal. Yes or no, guys? Let us just,
Yes, sir.
are you able to understand this much, guys? Relational operators. There's some logical operators, guys. True, false, and or not. These are called logical operator. Let's suppose A is true, B is false. A and B means what? True. Both are true, then it will be true. Yes or no, Dinesh? So what will be the output, Dinesh? What do you think? If let's suppose A is true and B is false, so what will be the output of print A and B? Yes,
And B
guys.
maybe
Yes, yes.
false.
Yeah, because both are not true. Yes or no? So it
Yes.
is false. Yes or no? And what will be the next value? Tell me,
Next,
A or B?
true.
Either of them is true, then it is true. Yeah. Not of A, just the opposite of A will be false. Yes or no? So let us just see the output, guys. So A and B both are not true, so this output is false. A or B, any of them is true, then this value is true. Okay. Not of A means just the opposite of, true. That is nothing but the false. Are you clear with three output, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Are you clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So these are called, guys, logical operator. There is something called as range operator, which is start, stop, and step. Okay. Where you start, where you stop, and where is the step. So start, all three are, guys, all two are, this one is a start is an optional. Stop is also, stop is required, guys. Okay. But a step is again optional. So which is required is nothing but your last, the stop value you have to give. Okay. One value you give that is considered as, guys, stop. This is a required field. Let me just highlight this. Start means what is starting number of sequence. It is inclusive. And stop, that means the number at which the sequence will stop. This is exclusive. Exclusive means what? Mukesh, what do you think why exclusive?
It should not include in the range when we are counting range.
Yeah, whenever we will use range, we will just exclude this value. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Step is an optional. By default, it will take one. See, you can take this step as one. You can take this step as 2, 3, 4, 10. Any number of steps you can take. Yes or no? So now tell me if I, this is just a for loop, guys, to illustrate, range. For loops means, repeated value if I want. So we use a for loop. Again, I'll teach this. So for I in range 10, okay. So range 10 means what? This is the last value. What is the last value? 10. So it starts, let's suppose it is started from, 0. Okay. So 0. Next value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Will 10 be taken or not? What do you think, Dinesh?
No, 10 is not there. 0
Because
to
it is
9.
exclusive, yes or no? So, and if I'm printing I, so what will be the output? 0 to 9. Do you guys agree with me, Mukesh?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So what will be the output? 0 to 9. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is called range operator. Yes or no, Mukesh? Let's
Yes.
suppose this is the last element. If I write here, guys, 1, then what will happen? 1 comma 10. Then what will be the output? Can someone tell me? I told you guys, the starting point, okay? This is the ending point, and these are the steps. So now tell me what will be the output. I'm not specifying the step. This is the starting. This is the ending value. So what will be the output, Mukesh, according to you?
1 to, it will 1 to 9.
It will start from 1 and then it will continue till 9. Yes or no? Yes or no, Dinesh? Any doubt here?
Yes.
Are you guys clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because this is the starting point, this is the ending point. If I write comma 1, that means this is the step. What is the step? 1. That means the steps are 1. The output is 1 to 9. But let's suppose I write the step as, 2. Then what will be the output? Dinesh, can you guess the outputs?
1, 3.
Yes, 1. Then what will be the next value? You will leave this, step to 2 steps. That means 3. Then what will be the next value? 3. 2 steps is what?
5.
5. Then what is the next, 2 steps? 7. Do you guys agree with me? And then next 2 steps is nothing but 9. Do you guys agree with me? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what will be the output? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no,
Yes.
Dinesh? Mukesh? So let's suppose I write here, 3. So Mukesh, can you tell me the output?
So 1 and
Then
4, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7.
are you guys clear till this much? Range operator, starting value. This is nothing but the starting value. This is nothing but the ending value. This is nothing but the step. Now this is, guys, optional thing, but this is required. This ending value is required. This is again an optional thing. This value is exclusive. That means we will not, include this value. This value is inclusive. We will include this value. This is the step. Yes or no, guys? By default, it is 1. You can, specify 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, and you can just get those values by skipping those steps. That means if I have taken the step as 3, so from 1, the step, it will be 3. That means 1, 2, 3. The element which will come in the third place, 4. From 4, the element which will come in third place, 1, 2, 3, that is nothing but this 7. And after that, 1, 2, 3, there's no value, so nothing is getting displayed. And final output is 147. Are you guys clear with the range operator? Which is inclusive, which is exclusive, what is the by default step? Inclusive is the starting value, exclusive is the ending value. This is the step. Mandatory value is the last value, the ending value. These two are optional. Are you clear with guys, this range operator? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no, Dinesh, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So this is guys, range operator. Now there's something called as guys, tokens in Python. Have you heard about token? Is nothing but the smallest code that has, meaningful functionality. That means small pieces of codes are written and that has some meaningful functionalities are associated with those particular, code. So some meaningful components are, there is something called as keyword, there's something called as guys, literals, there's something called as operators. So these are guys called as nothing but the tokens, keywords, literals, identifiers and operators. These are 4 tokens in Python. So we will learn one by one what is a keyword. So keyword are reserved word that has predefined meaning. That means first of all, keywords are the reserved words. These are already present in Python and this has already some meaning. There are two things, guys. One is what? It is a reserved keyword. This is the first point. And the next point is it is already having a meaning. Let's suppose if I write false. So false already has a meaning in Python that this is a Boolean element and this is a false. It has some meaning. If else, it has some meaning. These are the keywords, guys. False, none, true, and, as, assert, async, await, break, class, continue, def, del, else if, else except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, raise, return, try, while, with, yield. These are guys, some of the keywords that are reserved word and it has some predefined meaning and cannot be used as an identifier. I told you identifiers are used to identify an element. It can be a variable name, it can be a function name. So keywords cannot be used as a identifier. We cannot take a variable name as if. We cannot take a variable name as false. We cannot take a function name as, if, else, class, lambda. Like that, we cannot take the name of the functions or the variables as a keyword. These keywords are essential part of Python syntax and these are case sensitive, guys. These are very, very, case sensitive. So let's suppose we want to see all the, keywords. So first we need to, import the keyword. So the word is import keyword, print keyword.kw list. That means keyword list. These are the only, keyword list, which are, keywords present in Python, which we can see using this command keyword.kw list. This will display all the keywords present in Python. Are you clear about, guys, keyword, that these are reserved, words which has some, predefined meaning and it cannot be used as an identifier. Identifier means you cannot take a variable name as keyword. We cannot take a function name as keyword because it is having some special meaning. So we cannot use it as a method name. We cannot use it like a variable name. So this is what reserved words which has some predefined meaning in Python. To see all this, keywords present in Python, we use something called as KW list. First, we imported this keyword, then keyword dot KW means nothing but the keyword, and then list is list list. So keyword list. So this will display all the keywords present in Python. Are you guys clear how to see all the keywords present in Python? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, are you clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So now these are, guys, let us just see. Identifier, I told you, is used to identify is the names used for variables, functions, or objects. So how we can, define the rules for, an identifiers. So identifier can contain letters small a to z, capital A to z, digit 0 to 9, or an underscore. Identifiers are case sensitive. First letter cannot be a digit. This is always remembered for a variable name or an identifier. First letter cannot be a digit. So these are guys, identifiers which will identify a particular, variable, function, object. An identifier can contain letters small a to z, capital A to z, numbers, underscore, but identifier cannot start with a digit. Sometimes, interview questions are coming, they're putting this 1, 2, 3, ABC. So this is not an identifier because the name is starting from a number. When the name starts from a number or a digit, it cannot be considered as an identifier. So naming convention of, identifier, let us just see why Python doesn't, enforce naming convention. Following standard practices improves the code, readability. So let us just guys, see the naming convention which will be, used. Although Python doesn't, enforce it, but these are the standard practices, and I will tell you to use this naming conventions. So variable name, uses, lowercase and underscore for the variable name. I told you variable names are snake case. Yesterday in the last class also, I told you snake case is what? Small letters, we will write the first word and the second word, and then there will be underscore between. So overall, the shape is like, a snake. So it is called a snake case. All words are written in lowercase and separated by underscore. This is the, a general, naming convention for variable name. You also follow the same snake case. All words are in lowercase separated by underscore. This is called variable names. Let's suppose this is my variable and I have written equal to 10. This is a variable name. Then function name is also guys similar only. So use lowercase letter and then underscores. That means, this is a lowercase letters and then this is an underscore in between. This is the, general way to write a, function name. And this is the naming convention which is, followed. Now, class name is called as Pascal case. Some people call it as camel case. That is also correct. Camel structure is something, like this and then this and again like this and like this. That means first letter of the word should be capital, guys. This is very important. See, let's suppose this is a class and this is a class name, my class. So M is capital. If you see here, M is capital. First letter of a word is, capital. Again, I'm writing a second word class. So this C is capital. Yes or no, guys? This is called the class naming convention. It's called a Pascal case or a camel case, capitalizes each word. So every word, first letter will be capital. This is the naming convention of a class. Constant Constant value uses uppercase letter with underscore. This is very important. If there's a constant value 100, okay, then what will happen is that we will use uppercase letters which is separated by underscore. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now what will happen is that you have to know the naming convention of the constant. We'll use guys what uppercase letter and it is separated by underscore. Yes or no, guys? This is the naming convention. So what are the naming convention? First tell me variable name, which is called guys snake case. That means every word is separated by underscore. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now then I told you there's nothing but the class name. Class name is nothing but I told you Pascal case. That means capitalizes each word. Function name is also guys snake case where we will use the words separated by underscore and every letters are in lowercase. And then we learned something called as guys constant value where the what will happen is that we'll use uppercase letter with underscore. So constant is simple uppercase letter with underscore. Class name is nothing but capitalizes each word. Function name is nothing but lowercase letters and underscore like snake case. And variable name is also snake case. All words are written in lowercase separated by underscore. This is the naming convention used for, identifiers. So are you guys clear with this? Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes, sir.
So let us take a next value, something called as literals. So literals is a fixed value. Okay, the constant value is called as literal. Written directly in the code that represents a data. It's a raw data you assign to a variable or use in an expression. So, such as number, string, or spatial values like true or none. So, literals are nothing but the fixed value. Okay. Fixed value means what? Let's suppose it can be a string, it can be a number, it can be a Boolean value. These values are fixed. If I write age equals to 30, this is an integer, literal, it's a fixed value. Okay. So, that is what is in Python, a literal is a fixed value. See, literal is a fixed value, guys. Okay. And then whatever the values we are giving, let's suppose this is a string literal because we are passing a string value. This is a Boolean literal because we are giving a Boolean value. So its values are always fixed and is directly written in the code that represents the data. Okay. So this value literal is nothing but the fixed value. It can be an integer value. Some people think only integer is a fixed value. No, string is also even you have directly assigned a string to a particular variable. This is called string literal. When you are assigning a Boolean value to a variable, it becomes a Boolean literal. It's a fixed value directly written in the code. Am I clear about, guys, this literal? Am I clear about this, identifiers, the naming convention of identifiers? For the variable, it is snake case. For the function, again, it is snake case. For class name, capitalizes each word. For constant, uses all uppercase letter with underscore. And literals are fixed value. This is string literal because we are passing Alice as a string value. This is integer literal because we are passing an integer. And here this is a Boolean literal because we are passing a Boolean value. There's nothing but the true or false. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear till this much? Tell me yes or no. Literals, Mukesh, Dinesh, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, I wanted to finish one topic, called as slicing. So slicing in Python is a technique used to extract a portion or subset of a sequence, such as string, literal, tuple, or any sequence, other sequence time. That means if you want to extract a portion or subset of a sequence, okay, sequence can be a string, can be a list or a tuple or other any other sequence types. So how we will use that technique to extract a portion of a sequence? Let's suppose the sequence will have start and then there will be a colon, then will be a stop, and there will be a colon, there will be a step. So what will happen? Start, you have to include that character at the starting index, and stop. You have to exclude the character at the end of index. So stop, guys, we will not take that value. This is what exclusive. So let's suppose here I have written start. The index at which slicing begins. This is inclusive. Let me just write down. This one is in green color. Okay. And this one is, stop, the index at which slicing ends. This is exclusive. That means what? We are not, including this particular value. Step means the interval of size steps between each element. Okay. If we don't specify, the last index, it will be, included. If we don't specify the, this, any, value of this, as I step, it will be taking as long as the last index will be included. If we don't specify this this steps, then what will happen? It will by default take one, and if we don't specify the stop, it will take guys the last index which it will included. So we will guys learn all these things one by one. So let us just are you clear with these three statements? First is the starting index, which is inclusive, and last is the stop, which is exclusive. Step the interval or the step size between each element. That is nothing but the step. This included, this excluded, is the step. As long as these 3 points are clear, I am okay. Are you clear with this 3 point?
Yes, sir.
Now all the parameters start and stop and step are optional. Negative indices, negative indices, when we put a negative value, can be used to count from the end of the sequence. If we put a negative value, we will start counting from the end of the sequence. If parameter is omitted, if we don't take a parameter, start by default takes the value as 0. Stop takes the length of the sequence, and steps default to 1. So this is very important. If we stop taking some values, then what will happen? Start by default is 0. Stop will take the length of the sequence. Step by default is 1. This is what it was written here. So if you don't specify the the last character, guys, what will happen? It will take the last index which will be, included. If we don't, specify the stop thing, then it will be taking the last index and it will be included at that time. We will see that. So now, guys, we will take some, examples to, understand. Okay. So let us just, take some examples. I have taken an Excel sheet to, illustrate it because, it will become, difficult to, teach without, an Excel. So let me just, open that Excel to see, show you, slicing. So our word is, guys, hello, and then, comma is there, and then space is there. This is world, and exclamatory sign is there. So the index is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. The negative indices start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
let us just take, guys, let me just take text -8, comma 8. Okay. This is a example if I take. Okay. So now tell me, guys, -8. The starting point is -8 and ending point is 8. Okay. So now -8 is the starting point. So what is the value present at -8? Is it comma, guys? Yes or no?
Hmm.
And what is the ending point at 8? Tell me, Mukesh, what is the ending point at 8?
Hmm. It is R.
Hmm?
Sir, O letter is there at 8.
Yeah, this is the value at 8. Yes or
Positive
no,
8.
Mukesh? Yes or no?
Positive 8. Yes.
Yes or no? Yes or no, Mukesh? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So will it be inclusive or exclusive?
It will be exclusive.
Yes or no, Mukesh? We cannot take O. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this is what guys, we have to see. Let us just go and just verify our answer. Let's suppose take a particular word and let us try to see. Let me just take, this is a text, guys. Okay. Let us just take this one. Okay. Hello world. So we are taking a word, guys. I have taken a -8 and 8, and we are just trying to verify our answers here. So let us just take. Yeah, Mukesh, here. So what is happening? Let us just see. The answer is, comma space W. So this is the, your starting point is what? -8. -8 is nothing but what? -8 is nothing but your comma. Yes or no, Mukesh? So are we getting comma as our starting word? Yes or no? Now,
Hmm.
what is your, ending word? What is the ending word? It is, 8. Yes or no, Mukesh? So we
Yes, sir.
cannot, the ending word is nothing but your 8. Yes or no, Mukesh? This is our, ending word. Yes or no? So
Yes.
now we cannot, take, ending word as, ending word is not, included. Yes or no, Mukesh? So what is the,
Yes.
next value we will take? Yes or no? We'll take, guys, W. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is what is, coming, guys, here there's a, space also. And then it is what, guys? W. Yes or no? Yes. Let us just, guys, take a simple example. Then we can, go one by one because we have directly, went in a, the negative indices. So let me just take first a simple example. Then we will go to that one. So let's suppose we take a, 0, comma 5. So what is the zeroth index, Mukesh? Can you tell me?
H is
And
the
yeah, and then 5 will be what, Mukesh?
5 is comma.
So will it be included or not included?
Uh, 0. No, last is not included.
So what will be the output?
HELL
Oh, yes or no,
O.
Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello will be the output. Do you agree with me? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No. No, Mukesh. Now, let us just take, one more, different example. Let's suppose I take this one, okay? Print text, colon, colon, and then, 5, okay? So let us just try to understand this one. Your starting index is not given. Your ending index is given as, 5, okay? So what will be the output, Mukesh? What do you think? Starting index is not given, then what will be the, we will take by default as 0. Yes or no,
0.
Mukesh? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then your ending is what? 5. What is the value present at 5?
Comma.
Yes or no? So let us just see. And then it will not be, included? Yes or no, Mukesh? Comma will not be
Correct.
included. So the
Comma
output
is
will be
included.
hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, next. Yeah, can someone, Dinesh, can you just try this one? Let me just see how much you have understood. 7, colon. So let us just, take it here so that, you guys can guess. Just at least give a guess, guys, Yeah, 7, colon. What will be the output? What will be the output of this one? Can you try? 7 is where?
7 to end. WORL.
Yeah, is you just tell me starting and ending. Starting will be what?
W and ending
W.
till 12.
Ending will be 12. Yes or no? No, you cannot. You have to tell the word. Yes or no? Exclamatory. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let us just try to verify, guys. Our answers. So this time the last letter is included. Mukesh, can you tell me why? Because I told you what? If the what is this step I have told you in defining the slicing? What is this one I told you? If we don't specify the last index, it will be included. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
We are not specifying the last index in our this example. Are we specifying our last index? No.
No, sir.
Then what is happening from the 7? 7 is nothing but this W. From there, what is happening, Mukesh? Tell me.
Till end.
Going till the end, that is what exclamatory sign is also included. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear till this much, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. Let me take a a new example. Okay. Let me just take this one. You know this one we have already taken. Let us just come to, guys, negative indexing. So Mukesh, just I want you to guess this one value. Yeah.
-6 means
Guys, both of you, write down in the chat. Let me just see how much, don't tell me anything. Please, please, write in the, chat. Let me just, bring the chat box here. Please, write in the, guys, write in the chat box. Your answer, guys, just give a try. You indexing you will learn, guys, only, when you will, practice. Just give a try, guys. Might be it will be wrong only, but that is, completely fine. So I want you guys to, try this one. All of you try this one. Just keep a, hello world and try this one, -6. Just try this one. This is your, code, hello world. Okay. This is your code, hello world. This is, it's written hello world with this one, and just give a try.
yes, sir. Just 1 minute, sir.
Dinesh has given a try. Let, Mukesh also, you also try.
Yes, sir.
All of you have written this one? Yes or no, guys? No. Let me just see text, -6. What is the answer?
Correct, sir.
Yes or no, guys? All of you are correct? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
now let us take one more, example. And, guys, just try to, do this one. And then let me just see all of your guys, let me just leave in the chat. Okay. Try this one, guys. Yeah, try everyone. All of you try this one. Let me just open this Excel. Yeah. Have you guys, tried? I've got, one output from Mukesh. What happened here, guys? The starting is also not given, the ending is also not given, and only the step is given too. So that is what is the thing. So what will happen, Mukesh? Think. It's very interesting, question. Sometimes they ask in the interview. Display the, second characters from this, particular string. So that is what is this question, guys. It's very important question. Very, very important. This is the interview question. Let me just, paste it here. Yes, so can I, guys, explain you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So Dinesh, can I explain this one? Yeah. So see here. Are you there? Dinesh has also tried, guys. Let me just, explain you guys this one. This is a starting is not given, ending is not given. We have a step two. So what will be the, first word? Tell me. Okay. Second character, yes or no? It will start from E. What you have written, Mukesh? What is your output? I want to just, see your output, both of you. What is the first word you have taken is, guys, as, H. Okay, the first word you have taken, by default, you have taken as what? The first character is H. And then ending, you don't know. So it will go till the end. And then you take the two characters. The first word is H. Okay. Take it lowercase, Mukesh. Okay. Whatever is present. These are case sensitive. Then what happened? One L is coming, Okay, fine. Then what will happen? This O will come. Excellent, guys. Excellent. And then this W will come. Yes or no? Why you have not taken, after O, after O, this will come. W will not come, okay? See, his answer is, correct. Dinesh answer. This gap will come. Gap is also included, yes or no? And then
Yes,
what will happen? Similarly, you will follow O. Similarly, you will follow, L. Similarly, you will follow exclamatory. Are you able to understand, Mukesh?
yes,
So
yes, sir.
so
Yes,
very,
sir.
very, very, careful. You have to see the gap also. You cannot, just think that gap that I will not include. That is also a part of, of your code. Yes or no? When you
Yes,
just, execute. Yes or no? This gap is also coming. Your answer is wrong, Mukesh. Are you able to see?
yes, sir.
See here the Dinesh answer is also wrong because he has not included that exclamatory sign. I told you when the what will happen when the last index is not mentioned, we'll go till the end. Yes or no? It becomes inclusive. As again and again I'm telling, if the last characters are not mentioned, that means where it will end, it will include the last characters. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear
Yes,
now? At least with this particular step.
yes, sir.
Dinesh, are you clear?
Yes.
So now let us get the first example what we have taken. No, so now you will get some understanding, guys. Because at the first only I have taken this example, so you guys were not that much clear. So minus eight is at what position? It is comma. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me?
Yes,
Minus eight is at this comma. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yes. Now the problem comes with eight. Eight is the ending word. This is the ending word. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? But the arrow is moving in this way. Let me just, show you with a shape that you can understand. Yeah. Let me just make an arrow like this. Okay. This is your ending, guys. Okay. Eight. Here it gets ended. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? Your starting position is very easy. You go to your -8 position. You have taken this comma. This is completely fine. Your ending position is 8. But can we include 8, comma 8, guys? Tell me yes or no? No. Eight position is not included if we have mentioned the last word. We have mentioned this last word, so we cannot include this O, and then we will include this W. Do you guys get the clarity? So the output will be comma W. Do you have any doubt, guys? Tell me, Mukesh.
yes, sir.
Dinesh, yes or no? Are you
Yes.
getting some idea why it is comma W? Why it is comma W, guys? Because -8 position, what is there? It is comma. Yes or no, guys?
Mhm.
And at the position of 8, it is what? O, but we cannot include O. So it will be what?
W.
W, yes or no, guys? So the total output is what? Comma W. Do
W.
you guys agree with me? Yes or no, guys? Mukesh, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the output of text -8 and 8? Tell me. I have written somewhere. What is the output? Comma W, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Minus W2, yeah, from here till what? Till here, yes or no, guys? This is your inclusive and exclusive part. Yes or no, guys? So your this gap will also come. See from here to here. What are the things? It is not only you have to you here. This let me just make it more clear. Here we will take, guys, one gap, and then we will take, guys, W. So let us just put the output as like this. Here, let me just write down gap, and gap is nothing but a space. We'll not write like this. We'll write like this. Okay. So this is your final output. The first letter is -8. This is your -8. The position at which it is present is nothing but, let me just make it another color, is nothing but the comma. Let me make it some other color. Okay. This is nothing but the comma. The ending position is O, but we will take till W. And so now from here to here, that means what? We will also include this guy's gap. From here to here is nothing but you'll get the output as space and W. That means what is happening? Final output is what? Comma,
Space.
space, and then W. Yes or no, guys?
Mm. In
Any
output
doubt?
also space is coming, sir.
Yes, space will come, right? Because we are extracting the value from here. From where to where? Tell me. From here to here, we are extracting the value. Yes or no?
Yes,
Let
sir.
me just make it in a different color. This is a very good example. This one, no, guys. So see here, this is not a good color. Yeah. Let me just take some other color. Let me take this color. Yeah. So this is your extracted value. Yes or no, guys?
Mhm.
Are you able to understand? -8, it is nothing but the comma. Ending position was 8, which is which is exclusive. So the ending position became, a W. It is no more O. And then from here till here, you have, extracted. So the final output becomes comma, and then this space, and then this W. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now let us just take, some more, examples. Slicing is very, very important for you guys. So you have to, put so much, effort. So this is the example of every second character. This is asked in the interview. Let me just highlight in, red color. Question is asked, display in a string the every second character. So you have to immediately understand the starting position will be, nothing. Ending position will be nothing, but this steps will be 2. And now I want something called as reverse string. So can you just try, guys, a question of reverse string? I want to reverse it from here to here. It's very important interview question. So all of you write down this code. Reverse this string using slicing. Can you just guys try? What will be the starting and what will be the ending? Can you just guys try? All of you try this one. Reverse a string. Yeah, fill this value. Mukesh and Dinesh, please try to reverse this string. Yeah, guys, tell me. Dinesh, can you try? See, guys, for reversing a string, we don't want this, starting position. We will not give any ending position, and we'll give this step as -1. Why will give it a step as -1? It will go in a negative way. Why? The steps will become negative from, exclamatory sign, then D, then L, then W, then R, then O, then W, then space, then comma, then all these things. Let us just see this one. So this is, guys, the reverse way. Yes or no? From here only, I will take your program of palindrome. If the string is reversed and if it becomes the same string, that becomes a palindrome. When I will teach you conditional statements, if else statement, that time I will use this logic. There are again many other ways to reverse a string. This is one of the way to reverse a string. Will not specify the starting position, not the ending position. That means it will start from edge, it will go till the end, till this exclamatory sign. We're putting the step as -1. Go in a negative way, these steps. The first letter will be exclamatory, which has come. Then comes D, then L, then R, then O, W, space, comma, O, L, L, E, H. This is what is reverse string. Yes
Means
or no,
all
guys?
are included, right, sir?
Yes, because we are not specifying the last ending position. I told you, whenever you don't specify your ending position, you will include that particular character. Yes or no, Mukesh? I have told this.
Yes, sir.
When you specify the last character, then you will not include that last character. But if you don't specify the last character, then what will happen? It will be included. Am I clear with this particular statement?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Any more doubt? Tell me. Any more doubt, guys? So this is, guys, your interview question. Reverse a string and every second character. You should be, able to, tell, guys, every second character. Yes or no, guys? These are, odd index. If you want, even index, odd index, those things you can just, specify. Yes or no, guys? Every second character is what? I want it from 1. Then I will run 1. I'm not specifying the ending position. I'm writing here 2. Then 1, then it will come what? 3. So this is also called as what, guys? You want the odd indexed values. If you wanted even indexed value, what would be the code, Mukesh? This is, guys, odd indexed value. If I want, even indexed elements, what would be the code, Mukesh and Dinesh? Do you have any guess? If I wanted, even indexed element, what would be my code?
Sir, 2 colon 2.
Yes or no, guys? We will, specify, guys. Let's suppose we want you this element, then 4, 6, 8. Yes or no, guys? Like this, we can, write. Yes or no, guys? Let us just, execute this one. This is, guys, odd. Let us
Odd.
just try to find the even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, you practice all the sports, guys. Okay. Tomorrow, again, we will go with a new topic called a string. Okay. Let me just stop till here. Okay. And we'll start with a string with a clean, examples. Please practice, guys, whatever I am telling. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.